Hey, it's Sonam, and I'm updating you after 8 months. I can't believe it's been that long. I think I just kind of got bored of not seeing as much progress as I wanted to see. I felt like things should be moving faster, even though logically I know it's a slow process because I'm trying to make sustainable lifestyle changes. I stopped measuring myself. I stopped weighing myself regularly. I haven't measured myself in months, so I don't know what my measurements are, and I'm actually fine with that. Sometimes it can be tough because I don't like, this is going to sound really silly, but I don't like looking at myself. So when I'm filming things, it can be really off-putting, and so I just don't do it as much. That's one of the reasons why I haven't been really updating you on this whole thing. But I'm just going to give you a brief summary of like what's been going on since I last posted. I started the Zoe program. It's essentially a personalized nutrition plan. You do a series of different tests. I learned unique information for my own biology, so I did that for a while. But also I ran my first half marathon. I think next year I want to run a marathon. I think I'm going to add that to my list. I'm saying it out there to the universe now, so I need to do it. I have actually been doing hot yoga and inferno Pilates since June, so it's been about 5 months now, and I love it. It is my new favorite form of strength workout. I also went away this summer to film my first, well, technically my third, was it, feature film. This was a supporting role in a feature film called Unfit in Italy, and that was such an amazing experience. I haven't spoken about this on my channel, but I'm also an actor. I actually had an allergic reaction, at least I think it was an allergic reaction, to mosquito bites. That was not pretty at all. It was so bad. I had them all over my body, like even one on my forehead, and they expanded and they made my arms and skin just swell up into like lumps, and I had to take antibiotics, and it took me 2 to 3 weeks to recover from that. That also kind of stunted my workout routine. I had to take time out to rest. I've just been doing what I've been doing since I last spoke to you guys 7-8 months ago. Continue drinking my water, eating more plants, trying different types of exercises, being more active, paying attention to my sleep, stress kind of thing. Going forward, I don't think I'm going to keep continuing to monitor my measurements, my weight, because I just don't think it's necessary. Is it very useful? Maybe if I was a bodybuilder or someone entering a competition that was very aesthetic based, but I'm not, and I really don't care as much what the numbers are. I wouldn't say I'm at a stage where it doesn't affect me whatsoever. It's just not my main focus because I don't know what my healthy body set weight is. Maybe for future reference I will add it in, but right now I just don't think I'm going to be doing that. I've been incorporating more workouts at home as well, just body weight stuff like calisthenics. Other than that, what else have I been doing? I've been limiting my caffeine. I just have the one caffeinated drink in the morning, and then the rest of the day if I fancy a coffee, which I tend to because I love the taste of coffee, I go for decaf. As for food, I've been feeling quite uninspired. I tend to eat the same things, and I have tried new recipes here and there. I have posted some stuff on my Wellness with Sonam Instagram page recently, although I don't post that regularly. I was looking through pictures on my phone and I found quite a lot of different recipes that I forgot I had made a few months ago, and I'm thinking, what? Why did I just forget about certain stuff that I eat? But I go through phases where I enjoy something, so I eat it all the time, and then I get sick of it, and then I find something else, and then I kind of eat that all the time, and then the cycle continues. I'm not sure what I'll do going forward with this series, whether I'll just kind of change the direction, but I definitely want to do more thoughtful and inquisitive videos talking about topics that interest me. I'll see you later with probably another video. Not sure which one that will be, but I will be back.